Hey guys, Brad here with Skyline Construction, and today we are going to take a look at a trimmer. It's that time of year where we're trimming grass, and these things are great to have. They're so much better than, in my mind, gas powered or corded. So the cordless models, there's so many. Dewalt, I think, has like 4 or 5 different models over the years. And today we're going to look at this one. I have a couple more that will be coming up soon. This is a bit older model. This is the Dewalt 20V Max XR grass trimmer. The code on this is the DCST920, and it's got 2 modes on it, high and low right here, which you can switch. So that's low, that's high, and that's just the RPMs. So at low, we're going from 0 to 4,600 RPMs, and at high, we're going at 0 to 6,000 RPMs. And the trigger is variable. So this is the safety switch up here. You just have to hold that down, and then you just pull the trigger, and that's the variable speed. I always keep it on high, just because I can control the variable speed right here. So I haven't really needed the low set situation. There's not a heck of a lot with these trimmers. It's got a nice D handle. No straps on this. I mean, you could add them, I guess, if you really wanted to, like a shoulder strap, if you're using this all day long. It's well balanced. I think once you get a battery on the end, it balances out quite nicely. I'm running a 20V XR 5 amp hour battery on here, but you can also run flexible batteries as well. Got one here, so you can slip that on if you want, and any flex volt will work on here. This is the 6 amp hour. So I just really like having a cordless trimmer. I grew up having a corded one, and you know, it's just a pain in the butt dragging extension cords around. It's just, we just don't do that anymore these days. Let's talk about the head here. Now, you can buy extra spools, and it's pretty easy. I'm not going to pull it all apart right now, but if you need to lengthen your cable, you push this in and then you pull it out, and that will give you more cable, and it's all stored in a spool inside here. And then when you turn it on, it cuts off right on this plastic edge. But I have found that it doesn't work the greatest, so I typically just snip it off with a pair of snips, just so it's the right length. Otherwise, I've found that it just sort of bends and then it gets kind of mangled. So it's just easier just to cut it, spin this around, cut it off at that length, and then you're good to go. So yeah, not much to it. Very handy to have if you're running a lawn business. They're not that expensive. You can always find them on sale at Home Depot, Amazon, all that kind of stuff. So just keep an eye out for them. Like I said, this is the 20V Max. There's another one we'll do a review on soon where it folds up in the middle. And there's also the 40V, which is, so they don't make them anymore, but we'll be doing a review on that as well one day. But yeah, let's just take a look and see how this thing works. We'll trim some grass and away we go. All right, guys, so as you can see here, cutting the grass is very, very easy. It just plows through all these long weeds, quack grass, whatever. It just cuts through the grass easily. So you'll be able to run for quite a while on a 5 amp hour battery. If you're doing a lot of work here, you might want to run on a flexible battery instead. Great little tool to have. Highly recommended if you're into lawn work, or if you're just a homeowner and you just want to trim your own grass. I highly recommend these. They're just so handy, so quick, so fast, no setup. It's just slap a battery in it and go, and you're done. No fuel, doesn't bug your neighbors too much, which for me is a big thing. I don't really like annoying my neighbors with all the power tools. So yeah, it's just nice and quiet, easy to use. So guys, please let me know what you're using out there. I know there's a lot of different models, different brands. So leave a comment down below. Give me your thoughts on the Dewalt line. And yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like the review. Till next time, keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.